Good afternoon, my dear students. This Monday, we are meeting you again after 1 week. After 2 days, after 2 days of holidays, that is Saturday and Sunday. I do hope that you must have done your duties well in the past week. Singdu amuna revise tawdana adagi fazana matam sana koina haigiba singdu fazana tawramgani haba asa lawi natra binas ka yawadana nasisu garangi mukata hoina ka today is 20th ka jungi tang kunnabi yore endai ka sorry July tang kunnabi yore ka aduna the shoot it away, only we are left with 2 days far. So nothing I in a far. So now tell us say some tension say and I quite sad. When I quite sure some tension I begin a tick car. The point of some ganta, he never on a gather I may tell us I'm to the Yana tension than I quite a can hold Ragadi, I do so I quite a no idea, I'm in a quite a soon car. Last time, on the last Friday, we had discussed up to question number 2. Question number 2 discussion and I discussion to Loina, money, had money and a Kali. And I Minatra, my head of Manika. In Ayamaduna, Mamangita, question number 2, we have discussed some definition. Definition parallel lines, lines, line segment, square, perpendicular lines. Today we'll be starting discussion on question number 3. Question number 3 discussion question number 3 now you focus on your textbook. Look at your question number 3. Exercise 5.1 dugi yaw question number 3 na kari hai no to panaro yanga panaraba and try to understand its meaning ka mafai na hai ba question du ta yaw ba meaning dugi athulaksan mangam na bhona ga dabani ka adune yo na koi na khali duga aina pathura isga manaba manada bra yengse question number 3 na hai senga consider two postulates given below. Makada postulate ani pireka. It may be there in your textbook. Haidi hana koi na theorem da na ki bude theorem bayai yorum da bayai. But it may be a new one ka. Ano bo ram suyai ka. But look at that. You know, given two distinct point ani distinct adi khange ka. One point ani hare. A and the B have point ani pire. There is a third point which is in between A and the B hai ka. A ga B digi mark ta. Koi the point naman lai hai ni ko ma hai si ka. Then number 2 there exists at least 3 points that are not on the same line. Same line to the yam drabda point ahum lay by yai have any car. Straight line point and the straight line same in the car. The point to the line to the light about point yam drabda point any ahum di kona yam drabda lay have any car. Yandarmasima. Question do this postulate contain any undefined term here? Piriba postulate anisna because the undefined term la ibra hangeka. Are this postulate consistent hai postulate since consistent or ibra or dabra hange? Then do they follow Euclid postulate explain haika? Maka the people sing maka pirma postulate to kaya na explain tau have nika. Yang senga ay romano 1 2 is the ira ka. Mana hiba answer ji kumajenga. Do this postulate contain any undefined term? Undefined term hai kaino masak koi losal laga laiba habni ka mayamna hek uba tum mana piri ko sida yaw thaba khara ubang hambra habni ngamni ka yanda ba se adune yo roman number question number 3 sige answer kumajenga yes harani this postulate contain many undefined terms. Undefined term am yawe kay gina matamda number 1 naman na piece ngo there exists a third point C which is in between A and the B have ne ka A ga B gi marakta point naman lai have point ito mayam ni tro ne to side mo the point naman lai re the point naman lai re this is point A, this is point B kanai ka point A ga B gi marakta the point yam lo bi ano the point C am su lo bi ai the C am su lo bi ai the C am su lo bi ai ne an lai ba point C se ko le kai do ne A B C gi marakta mayam lai have ne yan dai ka kanga ni ko sima adagi mo there exists at least 3 points that are on the same line hai same line to the like the I mean god same line the kai way sa the same line is the point nam lai the point nam lai the point nam lai kan da ba the point se A ni na B ni hai the point B to B sa point the lai the ba the C side lai bi ai side the C lai bi ai side the C lai bi ai and the other side the point B lai bi ai and the point ahom de hen ma mai tra sa ha samai dong kan da ba sma si simli ko mana sida palli ba ni se ka other undefined term ai kai no sida point the kada the like do you have one definite way na tra ma pam sab sabam pi de na tra pi dra bani na si ni ko mana hai se ka ade mana kari hai these points are they have a consistent also oi da ba hangi ka ade kai ha ni yes hai ni ka these points are this postulate are consistent dan tama sa ngayon ka adagi mo kay hangi mana does this follow Euclid postulate hai postulate yaw gi bising do mana P follow to ba hangi Euclid ko ring hai there exists kay naman point ani lang sa line makitong siyam bag adagi circle or radius siyam ka na yaw ka adi postulate sin di sigam bari lai na ka adi na kay hani the no these two postulate do not follow Euclid postulate ka yan ba Euclid postulate follow to debo ka kay gina follow to di ba ga koy na postulate yaw gi bising di kay haigi sakala mag radius sama khanga bi tawba yak pa yaba adagi there is this point am katana koy the point line ani yak pa yaba ko na postulate mga nai nagi trane tumra postulate one the line may be drawn from any one point to any other point ga yaw with ka hai the point singa di mari lai na de happening ka yan dar ma sa aduga manas the action 5.1 subudi follow tawba yan kay kanda point ani yaw with the point na line am katang hi ga yaw hu ni ka but adu ko do we hai but this given postulate follows axiom 5.1 that is that there exists a unique line unique line for CC two given points. And the point na nitiya ka line mo isang hall sa kaya sis mo ka. Na sa kasi masinjalo yan Yeah, go to the next time we answer question number 4. Question number 4 हम कहीं नहीं है ना If a point C lies between A and the B such that AC equal to BC, then prove that AC is equal to half of AB है लेका, है ना? Point नंबर लगी है ले, number 4 लेका, point से A B है ले C, point A B से माने का point नंबर लगी है ले C है ले, C से क्या होगा? AC से का B से का संग माने है, जंदर का देखो gen darbasa adu itagi di mana hani sikaina asia jese ab ki tangkhai ni han kullu ha bani ka ande o per si samjan na re khalasi ya let's make a line ka line masse masiman p ko point p matuna clear hai select the man is kind now so given the point C lies between A and B so aduga such that kind of has AC is equal to BC. Look at that. To put to the now, AC is equal to half of AB. Now let's put the one. So there you go. AC and BC get some other kind. They are equal length high का. So then we put away on the line here. We have AC is equal to banana BC. And that was that. And then you want akala de mukta in AB kana kita mukta ke dore BC tunjan ne kar lao. You know, so adding and that was that. Adding banana AC on both sides. Nakala में मिलता है AC tunjan ले अगर कनाल में क्या होगा AC plus AC is equal to BC plus कनाल आती ना AC लाने कंडारबा अगर AC से कनाल में से it is called twice AC लाया था BC पे AC पे tunjan आती what you get यह भी होंगे कंडारबा अगर AC will be equal to half of मैंने कहा तो मतलब से केंद्रानी का ओके सिंगल सिंजलो ये ना यानी को सीमा the next question number 5 सिमुत लगेगा Read the question number 5. Question number 5 film kay hai na yan In question number 4, C is called midpoint of the line segment AB. Prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint happening. You know? Question number 4, the yaw hiba C have a point of yaw with Rana. And C have the man kay hagger A C have a second already. Piriba and Odogi. A B ตุกิตังไข่เนี่ยหายเลยนะตราอดุยตากติ C จะมิดพอยต์ผมท้องตระเนี่ยอดุดุนี่ก็มันหายสิค่ะเนี่ย question number 5ก็เป็นหายเนี่ย yes C is the midpoint of triangle AB therefore there exists only one single midpoint of any line segment. Yang tara, ang ni ka line segment kuting maki pedore midpoint amumam laini habis ni ka. Yang tara ba siba? Ang ni ka. Dai question number 6 to yang 7 or plus number yabu nang ba yung ka. Yang given the figure the AC is equal to BD period. Prove that AB is equal to CD happening ka. Yung question number 6 ka. Mana PVC kayo na given the AC is equal to kanama BD. Proof ko na kanama tawag sa AB is equal to CD. Sisu yam lai yung basic movement natin ka. Yung AC hai bisi kanana same ke AB plus BC na same ra. Adai BD hai bisi kanana same BC plus CD na same ka. Ada BC hai bisi ani mo ta common way hodra. May hoy ka na ani mang kiyawi mana yung basta ko pagal way ka. Ije ko na tamu ko ta gi edam yam line so ko mo dum yan ka. May mga ita okay. We have AC is equal to BD. And that is ABC ABC kanaga manay no. AC is equal to AB plus BC. And that is mo pero na sa BD ABC kanaga yung kung figure BC plus CD later. Tumoro sa ano yung nakalan ka BC BC over yawi ka. Aduna manay ka po sa ko na kidaw right. Subtracting absat lagar budi yan ka. Kung na mga natang direction na dito yung isa nga BC from both sides. Kung na kayo hagi manaragal ay mapura matagi managi ba sa kapag kita lemo sa kapag manay hagi dra niya. Ang may tawag na sige nga adugi concept ko nung sisi na rin sa sila. Kung nakamili ka na lang horesan kita na rani kita na lang hore AB is equal to CD. Kaya ka sini ko mana pamiga ang ika yang address ya testing mesin jala yang ya rekod tu dia. Okay, last question yang let me rub this part. Ano mo talaga yung question number 7 ay si kayo na yung siya why is axiom 5 in the least Euclid axiom considered a universal truth having a axiom 5 te yaw hibado kanagina Euclid axiom gi da masi ke dore universal truth amani habisi kamaina hairi no habani ka aduna axiom 5 what was that kai lai gi ge habani ko koina kandu si ka nira hai gambra gambro kanada kai lai gi ge silki Avinash kai hai ngame yes ka yenga question number 7 na is pay na axiom 5 na hai gibu kari no ni se ka axiom 5 to kari hai mana hai gibu mak is drama su ai hai ki ka all part is greater than its part habini ka no step mapum so mom le rame kan dai ka sidanga ina matsi na man long fen khala se ba kan dai ka ene ngo sida blue na sangjali ba jaga se no se blue na sangjali ba jaga se aina atau busi compare tau matam da kana na hen gane asau busi matam hian loidra ne ini ka desne long ba sobom lo su sam lo gera dagi subuk lo gera hai jam mana ga mana de ko hol lo gi ta di mana part hydra part ai saru hai bane ba aduna ke do se si di sum dra ne yo figure se do mo ngam ya it can be explained amana explain to we abi no in the given figure the set reason which is a part of the form is smaller than the whole figure. And I got again mapum is the gi mana saru amang way ka ada hai concept se ke dawe ai koi na mapum is the gi henna pi ka the mapum se henna sawi have ni ka ya dra sa okay singa lo yawa ya ko sa now we come to end of this exercise 5.1 5.1 the lower ka and 5.2 the question ani katani yaw se hai the question ani do yawa aduna aina ko kusu dum yare ka adu aina thosira atena sida mana sida palli se ka equivalent version of the Euclid fifth postulate habani when fifth postulate the yaw ki bada adu kamaina haiba yagadagi haiba mo adu ko wahida when kamaina haigadagi habdani ka yanda masa yenga sisima hayeng tawra sika adu hayeng se chapter simalo chalase adu duga just let's revise this chapter as a whole amtang lokoi namtang naina sika adu duga hayeng chapter silo chanaba yanda adra adu chapter silo raga koi kari tawsike oza maga musina sira kai tawsiga duga koi na dikhanga lake na daga ai ga dum class ramatam kharam loina gisra hai duga anara sika adu ne nga ngasigi homework ta akoina pagada buse kari na Euclid ki fifth postulate ta kari hagi ge hai da tamuna paramuka em tang ga halam gi nga odaning singoina line ani leibada line ani da top line amna ka e hai ka ku line du da hai ba line ani du ke dor piram line ani du parallel oigadra oiradra dragana karom da kak e hai bu ni ka adu ge habet yauriba Euclid postulate 5 ta tang ga nei na gi siu ka to na san san yin su hana ka pa tho yanda ba duga edo ge ba aina hayeng discussion tar kon tam da ngai na buka yani ka yewa nong su tai yan da ba yani se atuna gari faja faja na yim da para ga layu ka lockdown su ongjen gre ngarang da gi ka aduna you need not go anywhere else atop pa chatnga ke su lai ra ka only thing that you have to study at home yim da lari faja para ga layu ka yare ko tu te pare nga masigi dis da lo sala se mathang class ta mun thaina rasika. Goodbye. See you all in the next class.